On the mound for the Dodgers, Clayton Kershaw, and it has been a struggle for him of late. He lost to the Reds in his last start, allowing 3 earned runs. The Dodgers, in his 6 starts this year, are 3-3. Strike 2 pitch on the way, swung on and missed, and down he goes. Big overhand curveball. The first pitch to Big Abreu is a dribbler back to the box. Kershaw lobs it over the first, and that's that. The 1-2 pitch, Viciedo swings and misses. Down he goes. Strikeout number 2 for Clayton Kershaw. April and May, you're practicing indoors. He whacks one to center, but it appears playable. Van Slyke is there and makes the catch for the 3rd out. Now his strike 2 pitch on the way to the right-hand hitting Quintana. Swung on and missed. 2-0 Chicago. Pitch chased and missed in the dirt. Down he goes. We do know he runs pretty well. Slow curveball. See you later. It's some sock. Not from Beckham, who strikes out a 2nd time. Fastball comebacker. 44th. And that one is strike 3. And now with the White Sox. A drive to the gap in left center. Here comes Kemp to pick it off. Fastball got him. And a bad swing on a good curveball. And that takes care of Eaton. He goes 0 for 4. 9 strikeouts for Clayton.